Hey, how are you there? These two tanks look pretty cool, don't they? So we've got the first one here is a Panzer IV, the command version, and this one was by Mini Art. And then we've got the Dragon one here, which is Whitman's late version Tiger. And they're both looking pretty snazzy, I reckon. They're both at a similar stage now. You can see that I've got the details sort of just blackened. I'll build up colours from there, but I've got some new ideas on the detailing, and we'll do these two together. You know, on the shovel and all that kind of stuff, I'm going to, instead of just painting it metallic or whatever, I'm going to actually make it all rusty, and I'm going to do some different things this time with the details. I'm going to go the extra mile, and I'm going to work on that, you know, sort of another frontier, so to even make it even better. But yeah, really happy with how they're coming up. They're both very impressive with their reverse camo method. This one's a later one I did, and you can see I'm improving with every time. This was one of the first ones I did with this method, and you know, it's passable, but it's not the greatest. But yeah, you see I'm getting much better, and as I do a few more, I'll even improve more and more and more on my camo technique with the blue tack. I also started building the figures for the Tiger, the Dragon Tiger. This came in the actual kit, so this is Whitman. I've given him a base coat. He's got lots of photo etch on him and all that stuff, but I added those wires to his headset. Also, I'm going to put this figure set, which is by Masterbox, with it. So it's a sort of Panzer Grenadier crew. You see, he looks pretty cool, doesn't he? He's got those hand grenades on his side and all that. They have really nice rifles in there, and I gave him a scoped rifle, automatic. And there's a few more I've got to make. I don't know where I put the box. It's just down here. So yeah, I made that guy there. And I started to make this machine gunner, but I won't make the tank. I will put Whitman in instead. So I've got to just make those other fellas, but it's pretty actual nice sort of kit by Masterbox, but it's one of their newer ones. I'll show you. I'll show you the weapons that you get in it. You get this cool weapon sprue. Get out of the way. Thank you. But you see, you get these cool weapons with it. See those, all those scoped, they're just the normal KARs, 98s. You get those handguns, so you get Lugers and Walthers. You get their holders to go with it. The machine guns are really nice. You do some ammo, some of that. That 42 is really cool. And you have to put this breech here on and all that, so you can have that open or closed, which is really, I like that new thing, because I did it open on the Tiger here, and it looks really wicked, it looks cool as, and I'd like to do that more, but you know, I'm just starting out. I'm just a new modeler. What I started in 2019 doing this. See, you've even got the bayonet ones. Be hard to use in a World War II scene, but I'd like to use them. I reckon there was someone using a bayonet in World War II. At least one German would have. But yeah, you get heaps of cool stuff with it. But you don't get a machine gun sort of fixing box, which I need. I want to put him on the machine gunner, one of those, you know, German machine gun kits that they had, sort of a big box. Maybe I should make it myself. That would be a good idea. All kinds of cool stuff. I think that might be a Russian weapon. They're older German ones, or Swiss or something. Not the greatest on guns. I'd like to learn more. I used to shoot a lot, but I was a farm shooter, you know what I mean? With the 12 gauges and the 10 gauges and the 22s and all that shit, shooting rabbits and crap. Yeah, really cool little sprue, eh? And these figures look good. I like this. I'm happy with how I'm starting to get it coming along. They can go on the scene very, very soon. He looks cool, doesn't he? Oh yeah, the mobile wagon. We start working on that as well again. And we've got the artillery piece. I'm just sort of painting up the cannon right now. Got it over here with the panhard. See, that's the panhard. Lovely, lovely French weapon. And then I've got the cannon there. I'm just doing some chipping on it. Very mild. You can sort of see it around there. Just starting to get a start on it, but it's just going to be very mild chipping. Most of the effect will come from oil works. It's a really nice little cannon. And you can see sort of where I'm doing the chips there. You can sort of see on that part there, the breech block. Yeah, well anyway, I'll keep going on that, just doing it a little bit, slowly, a little bit at a time. As soon as you start to notice that you're rushing it or going hard, stop, do something else, come back to it. Alright my friends, it's good to see you. It's Friday, exciting days. We get to have a couple of days off. So I'll see you again soon. I'll speak to you probably tomorrow or something like that. And we'll have a look at some models, see what I do tonight. Alright guys, I'll speak to you again soon.